Align each shoulder pad with the square hole on the shoulder pad block of the carriage and insert it. Place 11 stainless steel large washer, 13 8mm inner diameter spring washer, and 12 M8 by 20 knob screw under the shoulder pad block and tighten them by aligning with the reserved holes on each shoulder pad. Remove the 2 6 straps on both sides. Then hold the middle hinge tube and slowly pull the reformer apart until the bed frame is fully extended. Handle with care. Align the hole on 5 upright posts with the reserved hole on the bed frame. Then fix and tighten it with 11 stainless steel large washer and 6 8 by 50 knob screw. First, remove the knob nut from 4 rope pulley. Then, align 4 rope pulley with the groove in the middle of the upright post. Place large washers on both sides of the upright post and then tighten the knob nut to secure the rope pulley. Align the 7 Bakelite handle with the hole reserved on the carriage and tighten it. When using one jump board, install it into the groove on the bed frame. Tighten the knob screw on the bed frame clockwise. Then place the handrail rod against the rear of one jump board. 3 foot bar shares the same mounting position as one jump board. Clip 15 toe strap into the corresponding reserved hole. First, thread 14 resistance rope through the rope pulley, pull it toward the carriage, then thread it through the carriage's cam hook, rope clamp, and cam hook successively. Finally, tie a knot to secure it. Insert the 23 limit pin into the corresponding reserved hole according to your needs. Hook the springs on the gear selector. "24 non-skid strips can be used as needed. Remove 23 limit pin and 14 resistance rope. Then lift the hinge shaft upward until the bed frame is folded together. Secure the bed frame with the 26 binding strap. Now it can be moved.